Are you tired of the way we hang pictures? Taking measurements, making marks, using wires, hooks, nails, levels, and on and on and on. Research shows that most people hang at least 15 pictures on their walls. Did you know most people take 5 to 10 minutes to hang a single picture? That's about 2.5 hours you can spend on doing something you love. For centuries, these problems have continued without a revolutionary solution. Until now.
Hi, I'm Moshe Levis, inventor of Levitate Hanger, the world's fastest and easiest picture hanger. Let me show you how it works.
Thanks, Mo. Levitate Hanger lets you hang pictures in only 10 seconds. Watch this time while I hang this picture. Ready? Go! Done. Oh, was that too fast? Here's a quick slow-mo. To use Levitate Hanger, you only have to follow 3 simple steps. Step 1. Press the Levitate Hanger set to the back of your picture. Step 2. Press your picture on the wall. Step 3. Tilt as needed. Usually, when you want to change to a bigger or smaller picture, you'll have to change pretty much everything. Well, not anymore, thanks to Levitate Hanger. So what else can you do with Levitate Hanger? Hey Moshe, catch! Thanks Moshe. So here's what you can do. Yeah, you can do a lot more than just hanging pictures. Alright, you're up Moshe. Thanks Moshe. To secure the future of Levitate Hanger, both utility and design patent have been filed, along with the trademark for the name Levitate Hanger. Alright, there you go. Thanks Mo. To sum it up, here are all the advantages Levitate Hanger has over the other picture hangers. Hang pictures in 10 seconds. Rotate as needed, no tools needed. Quickly change pictures to any size you like. Hang more than just photos. Easily design your walls like never before. Reusable, so you never have to throw it away. This revolutionary hanger can only be possible with your pledges. And with your pledges, we'll be able to meet the minimum orders for manufacturing and packaging. So don't just hang, levitate, and support our Kickstarter by pledging today.